What's up, everybody? Welcome back to the channel. I am Big Mike and this is BZ Cooks. Today we're continuing our quarantine cuisine series. We're putting a twist on the old time classic. You know what it is. You've been eating this all your life. We're putting a twist on the grilled cheese sandwich. That's right, I said it, the grilled cheese sandwich. But today we're just gonna put a little twist on it. We're gonna make the gourmet version of a grilled cheese sandwich, and then we're gonna make the traditional grilled cheese sandwich for those of you who may not be fond of the gourmet version of this. So keep an open mind and let's get straight to the cook. All right, guys, so as I said before, we're cooking grilled cheese today, grilled cheese sandwiches, but we're going to put a small twist on it to make a gourmet version of it. So I'm gonna get right into the ingredients. Let me show you what we're working with here. All right, so we've got 4 pieces of bread. This is regular white bread. I'm going to make both of the sandwiches with these. So of course, 2 slices go for the first sandwich and 2 for the other. We've got some regular American cheese, all right? This is regular American cheese. And we have some Muenster cheese. We're also gonna add some shredded mozzarella to it too. I don't have that down here, but we're gonna add shredded mozzarella. Don't forget that. Got some thyme here. We've got some fresh rosemary. Got some salt and pepper. Got some good old regular mayonnaise. And we have got 1 yellow onion and 1 red onion, okay? And that's pretty much it, guys. It's not real complicated. Hey man, this is grilled cheese. This is not beef Wellington or something like that. This is just grilled cheese. So let's get right into it, you guys. Everybody can make this. Teach it to your kids. Anybody can make this. So let's get started, okay? All right, guys, you see I got my cast iron skillet here. This is the best thing to make grilled cheese on. We're gonna take about a tablespoon of olive oil. Okay, after we add our olive oil, we're gonna add about a tablespoon of butter. Get that going. Then we're gonna add about a half a teaspoon of rosemary and about a half a teaspoon of thyme. Now we're gonna add our onions. And I'm cooking this on like a medium low heat. We're gonna add our salt and the pepper. Okay, so there's a couple of ingredients that I omitted, just forgot to put them in there. So to boot to these onions, we're going to add about a teaspoon of brown sugar. Okay, this is gonna go into the caramelization of these onions. Gonna sweeten them up. And then I took some bacon. Now I put some bacon on a wire rack. I preheated my oven to 400 degrees and I cooked some bacon. I think cooking bacon in the oven is one of the best ways to cook bacon. I took about 2 pieces per sandwich and I did a rough chop. So I've added a heaping teaspoon of brown sugar. Oh man, if you could smell this right now. Oh man, that smells delicious. Just the aromatics from the thyme and the rosemary smells wonderful. Man, if this didn't make my breath smell like hell, I'd probably just eat these onions. All right, these onions look just about done. So what we're gonna do now is we're going to remove these and put them to the side. All right, now we're getting ready to get to that magic, y'all. It's time to get to the magic. All right, the first thing you want to do is put a light layer of mayonnaise on one of the slices of bread. Okay, take our butter, a little bit more rosemary. We're gonna take our slice of bread that has the mayonnaise on it and put it mayonnaise side down, okay? Hope this pan is big enough. And we're gonna put this one in there too. It's tight in there, y'all. All right, so we're gonna let this side brown. Okay, now we're gonna add our cheese. Two slices of the Muenster. And we're gonna take some of our grilled onions, put that on this side, and some of that bacon that I talked about, remember? Got our bacon on there. So we're gonna put a nice little handful of that mozzarella cheese on there. And we're gonna kindly flip this over on that side. Look at that. Look at that cheese melting on the, oh my goodness. So good. But man, this right here, that's some goodness. Look at all that. Now we're gonna make our traditional grilled cheese. We're gonna add some butter here. Okay guys, so I just kind of mowed through this for the sake of time, but as you can see, it's pretty much following the same steps that we used to make the other grilled cheese sandwich, just less ingredients. Okay folks, so there you have it. In a nutshell, gourmet grilled cheese sandwich, traditional grilled cheese sandwich. Just another take on something you've been eating since the 3rd grade. All right, so let's give it a taste test and see the difference between the two. Of course, you know what we are doing this for. We are doing this for what, folks? Science. Gotta taste it for science. So let's get into it. All right. Man, this is so cheesy. Oh my goodness. Oh man. Those caramelized onions with that bacon. Oh my goodness. Hey, look, man. You can taste the rosemary, but it's not overpowering. It's very good. All right. So this is dinner. Now let's go for the traditional, which is still a fan favorite. I'm not hating on anybody who doesn't eat this. You can eat this one too, all right? And I'm gonna eat it for you, for science, of course. All right, let's see. Man, still can't beat it. This is literally something you can teach your kids to cook without having to go overboard with super ingredients or whatnot. You know what I'm saying? So hey guys, if you're new to the channel, thank you for tuning in. If you like this video, do me a favor, hit the like button, hit the subscribe button, comment, share this videos with everybody that you know, and let them know about Big Mike with BZ Cooks. With that being said, folks, we're signing out. Until the next video, we'll see you next time. Peace.